Let's turn our attention to M&A, rumours and movers. What's on the ball today?
Well, just really a bit of news that took my eye in that deal that's been rumbling on for around about a year has hit another regulatory hurdle. Halliburton are looking to take over Baker Hughes, one of their competitors, in a $35 billion oil services deal. But it's hit a hurdle in Australia, and the Australian Competition and Consumer Commission, or ACCC, has delayed its decision for the second time over monopoly concerns. It's also fair to say that the deal has also raised competition issues in the USA, but the Aussie regulator will now rule on December the 17th, having deferred once before in July. There's just like a pattern forming here, though, because the ACCC also deferred its decision on the Royal Dutch takeover of BG Group, and to my mind that slightly raises questions about their staffing levels and resources and their ability to sort of make rulings on this sector. Merger of Halliburton and Baker Hughes would obviously create one of the world's largest oil service companies, and it would push Schlumberger into second place. And obviously, you know, the reasons behind these mergers, oil businesses both in the exploration and production area and services have sought to consolidate to reduce costs, maximise efficiencies as prices tumbled. Just one thing, a couple of points here. First of all, Goldman Sachs flagged today that storage levels of oil are at historical highs, and when they get to when they tend to be reaching historical highs, that it tends to be negative on the price because there's nowhere for it to go. So you could do, you know, it's a sign of a glutton and backed up in almost oversupply. Yep. Secondly, there's been another deal mooted in the States today with Duke Energy looking to buy a competitor called Piedmont, I believe. So, you know, oil M&A is coming thick and fast. Regulators probably need to get their finger out. The oil price may dip yet again, and which in turn could drive further consolidation
in that sector. Understood.